see what he does here. Ooh, nice. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, cooksucker. Next, I was going right into this Matsuki. Ooh, it even needed? Oh, nope. GG shithead. When you snag them cruisers, the best part was when you get that good tracking. Alright, Hatsu's gonna be 10 kilometers, so I think I'm actually gonna be okay. I think I'm good distance-wise. Well, good. That Mogami can't heal, so he is fucked. A little bit, a little bit. I'm hanging back a little until we can kind of beat their team up, especially with the destroyers, because they actually have us in battleships. Although I trust Ishva and I to be able to carry a little bit. I don't know if this is even a good shot. I think I can't even get there. But if we can beat their cruisers up and take their cruiser line down heavy, then we're in a really good spot. Lieutenant Dan got no legs. BM Soda, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate it, bruh. Just out of my range. Fuck it, worth it. That says it won't be too cold. Yeah, dude, exactly. Apparently we're supposed to get shit on, though, in January, bro, so heads up on that. Alright. New York's, or North Carolina, is way easier to beat up than the Tirpitz is, really. Necky, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate it, bro. So I'm going to stick on the NorCal, giving me a perfect broadside. I don't trust his speed, I'm just going to shoot there anyway, like he is. I knew he wasn't going fast enough. Kill the Mogamis! That's what you always do, kill the Mogamis. There's a battleship. Same thing as this tier 6. If you're a tier 6, kill the Clevelands. Tier 8, kill the Mogamis. Murder! Murder the Mogamis! Murder them! EU service so bullshit. Why, man? Arceus is getting shit on. No, Arceus. Okay, we're down 2. We're about to lose Arceus, though, which sucks. To the cruiser. No bueno. No bueno. I don't like making this turn. Nice, down 3 freaking, 3 destroyers. They have a Mahan left, so that's probably the weakest out of all of them anyway. And our Hatsu might be a hero. You BB guys sound scared. Gifts for days, man. EU server is so bullshit. Rage. Okay, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep relative and aggressive line right now. I might be able to take out one of these Mogamis. Fuck is this guy? Where's he going? My BB guy sounds scared. Maybe he's a little bish, dude. Ever think of that? Maybe he's a bish. Alright, if we can take out one of their Mogamis, that's pretty insane. That looks about right. It's even needed. That should be right on his dome. 800 life left with the Citadel hit. 800 life with the Citadel hit. GG shithead. On NA, bought a port slot by accident, sold a ship I had just bought by accident. Really? Dude, that sucks, man. I've never heard that, like... Well, dude, that just shows, man. NA Master Race. Alright, I need to go, Yep, I'm on my way over there. NA Master Race, dude. That's a huge kill if we can get that Mogami killed. Hold. Whiskey Pizza. Who the hell was just talking about that? That was... Somebody was talking about Whiskey Pizza in another stream. Oh, wasn't it Chase's stream? Merry Christmas, man. We'll wait for that Whiskey Pizza. I'm gonna roll with Ishva over here. All the destroyers, besides like a couple of them, are just fucking wrecked right now. But Merry Christmas to you, Nick Eaton. Well, Ishva and I are gonna be able to wreck these two dudes. Hopefully, I get a nice, maybe a nice citadel on this guy. I think. Was that too low? We'll find out. Might be perfect. Lead's right. One hit. It was too low. Too low confirmed. Get citadel from in front, bish. I really do appreciate this guy not like hitting me at all. He's very, very nice. Get done updating. Play ranked? I can't play ranked anymore, man. War Thunder British tanks. Oh, is that the new ones that are out? How would I play ranked? You can't play ranked. As soon as you get rank 1, you can't play ranked anymore. Oh, not me. Okay. Demon Slayer. It's going good, dude. We're about to kill these two fools over here. This Mogami as soon as he rounds the corner, if he ever does. That Atlanta was too... Man, we're still... This sucks. Holding my shot for this guy. Oh, Ishva. Yeah, and the rank season's over anyway. I'm gonna take this damage because I want to kill this Mogami that's coming up B if he does come this way. Yeah, because if I can kill this guy, it's pretty insane. Oh, he's almost at 1,000. German, I'm German, remember? Guten Tag. Guten Tag, stupid bitch. Ah! Remember, I'm German. Haha. Ah! Uh-oh. Out of all that, I'll take 2. Really? That's it? That's all you guys got for me? Fuck out. Get fucked. Get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get out. Get out. Next. 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 Who's ready? What do I do now? I don't know. I killed everybody. What happens? Did I break it? What do I do? GG's. I mean, like... Cool. Alright, bro. Yeah! Fuck that guy! This Mahan that was trying to torp me, he killed that North Carolina. Oh, what a little doucher. Get fucked, dude. He killed that... Oh, that's awesome. That NorCal that I torped, this dude killed him with his torps. You're a bad friend. Nice. That's funny.